Let me tell you something that might sting a little. Nobody's coming. Not your parents, not your friends, not your girl. Maybe if you're faithful enough, God will show up on a unicorn with a bag of money and a 6-pack of abs for you. But besides that, no one is coming to pull you out of the mess you made. No one's showing up to save your future. And if you are waiting for some magical opportunity, some secret mentor, some miracle investor, or a YouTube guru to hand you a cheat code, you are gonna die waiting. This is the cold truth. Most men avoid like leg day. They scroll through TikTok hoping to accidentally stumble into success like it's a pothole. But success doesn't show up randomly. Discipline does. Work ethic does. Daily decisions do. And right now, your decisions suck. You are overfed, undertrained, overstimulated, and undercommitted. You wake up tired, stay distracted, eat like trash, and wonder why your life feels like one long tutorial on how to waste potential. The fix? You stop waiting, you stop hoping, you start acting. And before I drop the tactical breakdown, smash that like button, just hit it. So this video gets to more people who need the same wake-up call. Go ahead, just tap it, all right? And real quick, you ever notice how most sunglasses make you look like a gas station DJ or a youth pastor trying too hard? That's why I wear Navi eyewear. They don't just make you look sharp. They make you look like a man with options. And get this, buy one pair, you get 4 free. Yeah, you heard that right. 5 pairs, free shipping, no gimmicks. Add all 5 to your cart. The discount applies automatically. The link's in the description. Don't look broke, don't feel broke. Let your eyes level up while you do. All right, back to the truth bomb I just dropped on your forehead. Here's the first step to fixing your life. Accept full responsibility. Everything wrong in your life is your fault. Yes, even the stuff that wasn't technically your fault, because the second you take responsibility for everything is the second you gain power over everything. You were raised in a bad home. You still live there in your head. She cheated on you. You still chose her. You are broke. Your habits reflect it. Victimhood is the cheapest drug on the market. It gives you instant relief, but robs you of long-term power. You want to fix your life? Own it. All of it. You made this mess. Now become the man who cleans it up. Ruthlessly audit your environment. You are not lazy. You are surrounded by losers. You are not unmotivated. You are overstimulated. You are not dumb. You are distracted. Look around. Who are you spending time with? What are you watching? What's constantly feeding your mind? If you hang around 4 broke, insecure men complaining about how hard life is, guess who's gonna be the 5th? You need to detox your environment like your future depends on it, because it does. Unfollow garbage. Delete mind-numbing apps. Cut off energy leeches. Create distance between you and anyone who normalizes mediocrity. You need to build a system, not a fantasy. Too many men are addicted to motivation. They wait for feeling like it to do what needs to be done. But high-level men don't operate on feelings, they operate on systems. They train whether they feel like it or not. They read whether it's fun or not. They execute whether they are tired or not. You want to win long-term? Your system better be stronger than your mood swings. Wake up. Cold shower before hot, train, eat real food, work in blocks, track progress, sleep like an assassin, early, quiet, and deadly focused. You want a hack? Here it is. Stop winging it and start engineering it. Starve the weak voice in your head. You know the voice I'm talking about. The one that says, let's just skip today. Let's just relax. Let's just scroll a little. That voice is not you. That voice is the broke, fat, lazy version of you, and it wants the wheel. You want to fix your life? Duct tape that little clown and throw him in the trunk. You don't negotiate with weakness. You starve it. Every time you ignore it, it dies a little more. Every time you obey it, it grows louder. You are either building a savage or feeding a coward. Embrace boredom like a weapon. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the test. Every great man has gone through seasons of boredom, extreme boredom, repetition and isolation. That's where you sharpen the blade. You know what's boring? Cooking your food, tracking your macros, hitting the gym when no one's watching, reading instead of scrolling. But you know what's even more boring? Being broke, feeling weak, living paycheck to paycheck, watching her fall out of love with you while you sit there bloated with excuses. Discipline is boring. So is greatness, but mediocrity, that's unbearable. You need to get addicted to small wins. Everyone wants the mansion, the millions, the muscle, but nobody wants the momentum. Start small. Win the morning, win your meals, win your sleep. Stack enough wins, and suddenly you are unstoppable. Momentum doesn't come from big breaks. It comes from not hitting snooze. It comes from doing that extra set. It comes from reading 10 pages when you'd rather scroll. Your life won't change in a year. It'll change in a week if you stop losing the day. Learn to forgive yourself and move. Listen, you messed up. You wasted time. You broke promises. You quit too early. We've all been there. But dragging your past into your future is like wearing wet socks every day and wondering why your life stinks. Drop it. You don't need to heal. You need to move. You don't need more closure. You need more action. You don't need another apology from her. You need to stop checking her story and build one of your own. Forgiveness isn't a kumbaya moment. It's a decision to not be emotionally handcuffed to your past. You want freedom? Forgive yourself. Then do better. Build a mission bigger than validation. If your motivation is just to get laid, flex, or prove something to your ex, congratulations. You set the bar at middle school. The real fix comes when you stop chasing attention and start chasing impact. You fix your body because it's a weapon. You fix your mind because you are done being mentally weak. You fix your money because your future family is depending on you. You lead, you inspire, you dominate. And when that becomes your focus, the need for validation disappears. You become the man, not the man begging to be seen. Outgrow your excuses. I'm too tired, I'm too old, I don't have the resources, I wasn't taught this, my city sucks, my girl left me, my dog has anxiety. Just stop with the excuses. Every excuse has a graveyard full of men who used it first. You can either repeat the cycle or rewrite your story. This is your life, your shot, your chapter. Nobody's coming. And that's the best news ever, because it means you don't have to wait. You are the rescue mission. You are the Calvary. You are the plan. So what now? You get up, you move forward, you change your environment, your habits, your body, your mind, and your standards. You stop chasing comfort and start chasing growth. And every day, no matter how small this step, you advance. Because no one is going to hand it to you, but you can build it. And that is the fix. Want to actually look like a man who's building his life? Don't forget, Navy Eyewear. One pair gets you 4 more. Free shipping, free replacements if you lose them. Add all 5 to your cart. Discount applies automatically. Links in the description. You are welcome. You won't find it anywhere else. Go from invisible to unmistakable. And if this hits you, if this lit a fire under your seat, smash that like button for the boy. Just hit it. Tick, 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 tick. More men can hear it. Drop a comment. Send this to the friend who's been making excuses for a decade. And subscribe. I'm not here to sugarcoat. I'm here to rebuild men from the ground up. Let's go. Your life doesn't fix itself. You fix it. Until next time, peace.